Hello guys, and welcome you back to my channel. This is Chisomebi, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can get a $30 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade and also withdraw from it. So I've been able to claim mine. Okay, so once you meet their terms and conditions and you verify your KYC, you will be able to withdraw from it. Yes, so regarding their terms and conditions, you are required to trade at least just one lot size using the $30 bonus, okay? And the maximum profit you can withdraw is $100, and there are no leverage restrictions, okay? Yes, so just head on to go and claim yours. So let's get into the video as I show you all the steps needed to claim this bonus. If you know that you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. So let's go.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
Okay, so for you to get the link, you just go to the description below. Then you're going to see something like this. Claim your funded account here, or claim your no deposit bonus here, or claim the bonus right here. Yes, so you just click on the link that you see there. Okay, so it's going to bring you over to my Telegram channel. As you can see it, this is what you're going to go through. This is what you're going to see. So to bring you over to my Telegram channel, so that is where you're going to get the link. Yes, so this is my Telegram channel, and that is where you're going to see the link. Can you get it? Yes, so that's how to access the link. And you can also join my Telegram community for more updates. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to register. Okay, so we're going to be translating this language. So we're going to click on translate. Yes, so we're going to be imputing our first name, nationality, country code, telephone number, email address, password. Then after doing that, we'll click on registration. So let's do that. But if you know that you already have an account, you can just log in. For those that don't have an account, let's register first. Okay, so after imputing your information, we're just going to slide right. It's loading. Okay, so a code has been sent to my Gmail, so I'm just going to copy it and paste right here. And after doing that, I'll click on registration. So let's do that. Yes, so my registration is successful. So I'm going to sign in to the portal. Okay. Yes, so this is what the site looks like. Yes, this is the dashboard. So this is what the site looks like. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is to verify our KYC. So we're going to click on this tree icon right here. Then we'll click on personal information. Okay, so we're going to click on this personal authentication. Yes, so we're going to be verifying our personal accounts. So we're just going to click on it. Yes, so I'm going to be imputing all my information, as you can see it right here. Then after that, we'll go to the next one, which is we uploading our documents. So I'm also going to be uploading my documents, as you can see it. So I'm making use of my ID card. Yes, so I'll be uploading it. You can make use of your passport, your driver license, and the rest, as you can see it right here. So after doing this, we're going to click on the next. So as you can see, the next one is to verify your address. Yes, so address verification documents, as you can see it. So you can make use of anyone. Then after that, we'll click on it again. Then we're going to be snapping a selfie. Yes, we'll be uploading a selfie photo. Okay. So for you to be able to claim the bonus, you have to first verify your KYC. It is very, very important. Okay. So make sure you do that for you to be able to claim the bonus. Then regarding the terms and conditions, we have it right here. We have the terms and conditions right here. Okay. So no first deposit is required. You're not depositing anything. And before you can be eligible for withdrawal, you have to trade up to $100. As you can see, it's up to $100 in profits eligible for withdrawal. Then this is what registration bonus is all about. You can go through it. Okay. So this is how to receive your registration bonus. The first thing you need to do is to open a live account. Then you finish your KYC verification. Then after that, you're going to message their support. Okay, so this is it right here. This message icon right here. So that's what you click on to message their support. So you're going to enter, I would like to receive an account opening bonus. Yes, so once you type that, then they are going to answer you. They are going to respond to that. Okay, so the third one is the bonus will be reflected in your live account as credit points. Yes, so once you message them, then they will credit your live account. Okay, so this is how to get the bonus. You can also go through this. These are the terms and conditions. Okay, so to claim period for the live account opening bonus is within 30 days from the date of opening the live trading account. Then if 30 days have passed, you will not be able to receive the bonus. Okay, so this is another one. If you meet the withdrawal conditions for the account opening bonus, you can withdraw your profit at any time. Yes, so you can also go through it. Yes, you can go through them. These are the withdrawal conditions. For you to be able to withdraw, then you have to trade at least one lot size using only the $30 bonus. Then the maximum profit you can withdraw is $100. There is no leverage restriction. Yes, as you can see it. So you can just go through. These are the terms and conditions needed for claiming this bonus and also for withdrawing. Okay, so just go through it, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.